Oh, and was me.
Oh,
I was from young, by the way.
you went out willingly, you did.
Yeah.
Yeah. John will remember it. He's been to all. Right. So get in your little huddle and decide. It's always hard when there's more of them. They can't decide between them. Right. Decide which lovely willing volunteers you would like today. And I better not have to get to countdown clock.
In your own time.
It's alright, countdown clock. We're out in a minute. No, he went out last week, that's why he was brave.
Yes.
We're done?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alfie has no idea what's going on. Yeah, we're a long day yesterday. Right.
Because he's got that name on his back.
Right, so, who is your first willing volunteer?
Liam.
Oh, Liam. And who is your next very, very, very willing volunteer? Go on, Archie.
Barbara.
Oh, come on! Put your coffee down, Barbara. Up you come. Now, you need to keep this boat steady. Alright.
Don't rock it. Don't rock the boat.